Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to my YouTube channel Current Affairs Influx. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. October 5th, we observe World Teachers Day, and theme for the World Teachers Day 2021 is Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. And this day is observed in the year first of all this day is observed in the year 1994, and this day aims to focus on appreciating and improving the educators of the world, and also to provide an opportunity to consider issues related to teachers and teaching. Whereas in our country we observe September 5th as a nation as a happy teachers day, where on the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Next one, October 5th, we also observe Ganga River Dolphin Day. In India, the Ganga River Dolphin Day is observed every year on October 5th, and this day is observed to raise awareness and encourage conservation of Ganga River dolphins. In the from the year 2010, the nation declared the Ganga dolphins as the national aquatic animals, and the IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature, have declared that Ganga dolphins are endangered. So uh, for the conservation of Ganga River dolphins, we observe every year October 5th as an Ganga River Dolphin Day. Next one, Najla Bowden Romdane, appointed as first woman Prime Minister of Tunisia. Here she Najla Bowden is a 63-year-old and became the first female prime minister in the whole Arab world. Previously, she served as a education ministry in the year 2011, whereas she is a geologist by profession, and she also teaches the professor at the Tunis National School of Engineering. Whereas the president of Tunisia is Kais Saied and the capital is Tunis. Whereas the currency is Tunisian dinar. Next one. Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed takes oath for his second term. Yeah, the Abiy Ahmed has taken his oath for the second 5-year term, which means he is going to be the next prime minister for the upcoming 5 years of Ethiopia. And he is serving as a prime minister since 2018, where Abiy Ahmed has won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2019 for restoring ties with neighboring Eritrea and for pursuing sweeping political reforms. Whereas the capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa and the currency is Ethiopian birr. Next one, BC Patnaik takes charge as new MD of LIC. Here the LIC full form is Life Insurance Corporation of India. Here the BC Patnaik is appointed as the new managing director of LIC. Here previously, here the Patnaik was a Secretary General for the Council for Insurance Ombudsman, which is headquartered in Mumbai. Whereas here Patnaik has joined LIC in the March 1986 as a direct recruit officer, and the full form of LIC is Life Insurance Corporation of India, and the chairman is M.R. Kumar. Whereas its headquarters is located at Mumbai, and it is founded in the year 1956. Next one, Himachal Pradesh becomes the first state to begin organized cultivation of dalchini, which is also known as cinnamon. Here the Himachal Pradesh is the first state in India to cultivate this dalchini as cinnamon, whereas the cultivation of this dalchini is the cultivation of this dalchini is projected as its pilot basis first in the Himachal Pradesh, whereas this project is constituted by the CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology. Whereas this dalchini is mainly grown in the area of Sri Lanka, while the less producing countries of this dalchini are Madagascar, India, and Seychelles. whereas from India, if we talk about this dalchini, India imports about 45,318 tons of dalchini annually from China, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Nepal. By the cultivation of this dalchini, Himachal Pradesh became the first state of India to have organized cultivation of this cinnamon. Whereas the governor of Himachal Pradesh is Rajendra Vishwanath Arlikal and the chief minister is Jairam Thakur. Next one. Government of India launches Waste to Wealth web portal. Yeah, the Waste to Wealth web portal is launched by the Government of India to enhance cooperation for sustainable development through economy and community participation. Whereas this Waste to Wealth portal is especially focuses on the India's waste problem, which is mainly focused on the plastic waste, where this portal will bring together the technology providers, government stakeholders, and the urban local bodies to find the solution for these waste problems. Next one. The Paytm acquires 100% ownership of lending startup CreditMate. The founder and CEO of Paytm, that is Vijay Shekhar Sharma, has now acquired the 100% ownership of CreditMate. Paytm is an online payment service provider where CreditMate is founded in the year 2019, and it works as a collection platform which helps the lenders to collect overdue payments from the borrowers. And the headquarters of Paytm is at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It is founded in the year 2009. Next one. World Bank to extend $150 million to Chennai's Sustainable Urban Services Program. Here, the World Bank has said that it has approved a $150 million loan to the Chennai Sustainable Urban Service Program to support Tamil Nadu's vision of making Chennai into a world-class city that is more green, livable, and resilient to climate change. Whereas this Chennai City Partnership is a $150 million loan program which will help in strengthening the institutions, and it will also help in improving the financial health of services agencies, and it also brings in significant improvements in quality of the four key urban services of the Chennai, whereas the water and supply, sewerage area, and the mobility and health and the solid waste management. Apart from this, World Bank has also provided about $140 million to this Meghalaya state, and it has provided this $40 million to it to improve the quality of health services in the state of Meghalaya, and it will also strengthen capacity of the state in handling health emergencies. Next one. Here, the Nobel Prize Award in Physiology or Medicine 2021 was awarded jointly to David Julius and Ardem Patapoutian. Here, David and Ardem has received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. For these two persons received the Nobel Prize for their discoveries of receptors for temperature and touch, and these two persons has discoveries launched intense research activities leading to a rapid increase in our understanding of how our neuron system senses heat, cold, and mechanical stimuli. Whereas this Nobel Prize is a prestigious award which comes with a gold medal and a 10 million Swedish krona, which is about $1.14 million. And if we see about the other prizes of Nobel Prize, other fields in the Nobel Prize, in the fields are physics, chemistry, literature, peace, and economics are also these are the fields of which in which the Nobel Prize is also given. Next one. Kiran Rijiju inaugurates India's first sports arbitration center in Gujarat. Yeah, the Union Minister of Law and Justice, that is Kiran Rijiju, has inaugurated this SACA, that is Sports Arbitration Center of India, in Gujarat, and this is inaugurated in Ahmedabad. Yeah, the Governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devarat, and the Chief Minister is Bhupendra Bhai Patel. Next one, Indian Indian men's team wins bronze medal in Asian Table Tennis Championship 2021. Yeah, the Indian men's team has won the bronze medal in Asian Table Tennis Championship 2021, which is held in the Doha, Qatar. And this is the second medal for the India for India at the Asian Championship since 1976. Whereas the here we can see the names of the persons who won this bronze medal in the Asian Table Tennis Championship 2021. They are Sahityan Gyanasekaran, Sharat Kamal, Harmit Desai, Sanil Shetty, and Manav Thakkar. Next one, veteran television actor Ganashyam Nayak passes away. The Ganashyam Nayak is a veteran television actor who was famous for his role called Nattu Kaka in the TV series, and he was passed away recently due to the cancer. Apart from this, he has worked in over 100 Gujarati and Hindi films and around 350 Hindi television serials. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.